now we got the bracket on. It's time to install our diagonal piece. This is your R5. And this is gonna go into the bracket here and against your SD5. I got it facing the wrong way here. So you want it installed so that it opens towards the bridge. You can see the inside of the angle is towards the bridge. So we're gonna climb up and put a bolt through our R4 bracket into our R5 diagonal. Keep the nut on this side so it's easier to torque. You can fit a wrench in here. We'll just hand tighten this nut for now. And once you're here, you'll notice the diagonal is sitting inside your SD5 at the bottom. We want that to line up on the SD5. Now a little trick is to lift up on the wing to help that slide over. And then you can go on down and tap it into place. This is great if you have a rubber mallet, piece of wood, or if you want, you can just shove it over. I don't want to go too far, just so it's lined up with the SD5 here, with plenty of room for a nut and a bolt. Clamp it in place with some vice grips, and we're going to drill out a hole using this as a pilot, right through the SD5. Now we're going to drop a bolt through here. Again, I recommend putting the nut on this side so you have plenty of room for a wrench here. And we'll tighten this one now. And the last step is to climb up top and tighten that bolt too. And we're going to install these diagonals at every seam piece on the wings on both sides of your bridge.